Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial in inches, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a 6-inch beard comb. So we're going to go ahead and open the program. We'll go to File, we're going to go to New, create a new design, and we're going to click there, make sure you're in inches. And if you're not sure, go up here to File, come down to Design Spark Options, navigate over to Units. Make sure this type is imperial inches. So go ahead and click OK. We're going to click that eye icon on the bottom there, or V on the keyboard, and we're going to go to Plan View. We're going to minimize. We're going to bring in our sample here. Go ahead and bring that in. Now we're just using this for reference. We're obviously not going to do it exactly. And we're going to kind of make our own style here. So we want to make sure that this comb is 6 inches. So we're going to go click there, and we're going to drag across, make sure that it's straight, and type in 6 in the keypad. There's a 6-inch comb. Now we're going to click there, and we're going to hold down the Shift key, and we're going to drag out to the right. And now we're going to kind of line that up and make sure that it's 6 inches, and it is. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that in the center. I'm going to draw a straight box here to start. So we're going to go ahead and get the rectangle tool, and we're going to click here, and we're just going to drag out. So we're going to put 6, or actually tab 6 on the length and 1.7 on the height. Okay, all right, there we go there. Okay. Now we're going to use the 3-point arch, so go ahead and grab that 3-point arch, and we're going to come from here all the way down to here, and then we're going to kind of actually I clicked the wrong spot, so click undo. We're going to come from here, click there, drag over to here, right. Let's go right to there, and then we're going to actually do that wrong spot again. Let's get this one. So do undo, go tangent arc. Tangent arc is going to come from there, and we're going to go over to here following the contours of the comb. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to grab that tangent arc, and we're going to come from here. Oops, that didn't go right. Tangent arc. I might need to do 3-point arch on that. So undo, let's grab 3-point arch. We'll go from there right to there. And we're going to curve this up. Okay. Select the click off. Let's grab our tangent arc. I'm going to go from here. That needs to go on the other side, but let's get our 3-point arch again. We'll go from there to there, and then we're going to pull it this way. Click. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and get our 3-point arch. We're going to click the midpoint there, and we're going to come down to here, and then we're going to right to there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and get the 3-point arch. Let's go from here over to there. Click. And then we're going to go get a circle tool. We're going to put a circle in right there. Visualize the middle point of that. Drag up. And now we're going to get our tangent line. We're going to come from there straight over to there. Oops, I missed the piece. Let's undo that. Let's go 3-point arch. We'll go from there to there. Okay. Now we're going to Control plus to zoom in. Now we're going to put a straight line in here. And come over a little bit to the right, click there. Now we're going to grab our trim away tool, get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that, the inside, that line there. Okay, looks pretty good. We'll put a round corner on that top there. So let's get 3-point arch. I'm going to go from there, endpoint to endpoint. Bow that out. Get trim away. Trim away that. Actually going to have to redo that. So let's Control minus. Let's go get the tangent line. Let's go from there to there. Select. I'm not really crazy about that line in there, so let's undo that. I'm going to do it one more time. Tangent line. We'll go from there. Let's overdraw this right to there. Okay, we're going to grab our trim away. Let's trim away that. Trim away. Let's get rid of that. Well, I guess if we get rid of that, we're getting rid of the whole line there. All right, 3-point arch. Seems to be the way to go. Right to there. Okay, let's select. Let's get our trim away. Let's trim away that little piece right there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then we need to trim away this. Okay, let's pan over and make sure we got. Let's get these trim away over here. Let's undo. Guess those aren't connected. Let's delete that. Delete that. Get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of that line, this line. Now let's do the tangent arc, lower line. From there to there. Let's trim away. All right, and let's get that little piece there. Okay, now we're going to pan over. We're going to trim away this piece down here. And then we're going to go grab the offset. I want to offset this straight up to there. And I'm going to put my first tooth in there. So we're going to come down, make sure that we come down straight. So we're going to draw a straight line there. And to make sure this is straight, we're going to right mouse click and set it as a mirror. Then we're going to go ahead and grab that line, go a little bit off. Right about to there. Okay. And now we can round these pieces later. So right now we're going to go select these two. And then we're going to move. We're going to create pattern, check that on. We're going to move this line over to here. Okay, now we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to be the count. Enter. Guess maybe it needs to be undo. Let's put in 10 for the count. Okay, 10. So go ahead and select the click off. We're going to go ahead and Control plus on this, zoom in a little bit, and then we're going to pan. We're going to go ahead and trim. Let's trim away the, actually undo. Let's trim away this bottom line there. That line. Let's go every other one, or the little pieces in there. Let's pan this over. Trim away. Let's go ahead and get that, and then get that there. Okay. Now let me put a line in here. Well, let's get rid of this little piece first. Little tiny piece right there. Okay, let's pan over. Let's go ahead and get our 3-point arch. Gonna go from there to there. Oops. There, endpoint to endpoint. Click. Let's turn off, let's get rid of our mirror line. It's gonna interfere with stuff, so we'll get rid of that one. Delete. Okay, now let's go ahead and get our 3-point arch. Click there to there, enter. Endpoint to endpoint, enter. Endpoint to endpoint, enter. Just do this all the way down on all of these. Endpoint, endpoint. Okay, let's pan this over. Let's do one more line here. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so we got these. Now we're going to come over here and trim away, and we're going to trim away this piece on the top part of the comb. Let's pan over. Okay, let's get this line here, just come straight across, overdraw. Okay, now we're going to grab that line tool there, come from here, follow the contours of this tooth, overdraw if you need to, select the click off. Oops, let's undo that. Didn't get angled enough. Okay, we're going to go from here down to there, select the click off. We're going to trim away. Let's trim away that piece and that piece. Now we're going to get our 3-point arch, and we're going to go from endpoint to endpoint. Okay. Now we're going to trim. Let's trim away this. These two little lasting middle pieces. Let's trim away this piece in the middle here. Oops, undo that line. Oops, undo. Keep getting that curve. I don't want the curve to be deleted. Okay, so let's pan over, trim away that one. Okay. Now I'm going to make this tooth up here instead of down there like the one sample. Okay, so we're going to go here. We're going to drag this down to there. We're going to select the click off, then we're going to pan over. Now I'm going to finish this line up here, so we're going to overdraw this straight across. Grab trim away, let's get rid of that piece, and that piece. We're going to get our create rounded corner. We're going to click there, put a round corner in there, then put a fillet in there. Grab trim away. I'm going to get rid of that. Control minus, control minus. Let's go ahead and select this graphic. Go to move, grab the red arrow, let's move that down. Okay, I want to actually round the corners up here, and then I want to do some kind of handle, but a different handle. So let's control plus. Let's pan this over. All right, now let's do this here. Let's go control plus one more time. Let's pan over. And then let's go. Let's see what's going to be best. The circle. Probably circle will be best. So just go ahead and put the, go from midpoint over to there, like that. And go ahead and get trim away, and we can trim away this stuff. Okay, trim away these. Let's pan over. Let's get the circle again. Midpoint, straight across. Midpoint, straight across. Let's pan over. Let's get the circle tool. Okay, let's pan over one more time. Okay, you're almost done here. So let's go ahead and trim away. Or T on the keyboard if you want a shortcut. Okay, get all those. Let's trim away or pan over. Grab our circles. Midpoint to endpoint. Midpoint to endpoint. Let's get our trim away. Ooh, that one got drawn wrong, so let's undo that. Okay, let's draw that again. Get our circle tool. Okay. Go ahead and trim. Let's get these. And then pan over one more time. Okay, that looks like that's good. Let's make sure, let's pan over, make sure everything's good. Let's go ahead and, I want to get rid of this line here, so I'm going to delete. I'm going to get the 3-point arch. I'm going to go from there to there, and then click. Okay, we're done with that. Let's pan down. I don't like this piece right there. It's awkward looking, so we're going to go redraw that. Let's delete that. Let's go from get the 3-point arch from endpoint to endpoint. That's a little bit better. Control minus, control minus. Okay, this is our comb so far. Let's pan over. Let's go ahead and grab the offset tool. I'm going to offset these two pieces here. So we're going to come down 0.2. Click off. Let's offset this 0.2 up. Enter. 0.2. Enter. Okay. Now I'm going to actually take this line here. Oops, let's select the click off. Let's go offset. I'm going to offset this over 0.2. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and click this corner, create corner. And we're going to go all the way up to here, from here up to there. Okay. Now we're going to go offset. We're going to offset this circle into here like this. Let's control minus. Let's go ahead and create rounded corners. Let's put a pretty good sized corner in there. Let's go 0.3. Then let's round this 0.3. Okay, and then I'm going to get rid of that. And then click on this create corner. Go from there to there. We're going to have to come back and delete some stuff. Well, let's get the 3-point arch. From there to there. Click, select to click off, trim away. Trim away this. I'm going to make this piece right here hollow instead of adding a grip to it like they have in there. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, it looks good. No handle. We're going to just add a cutaway. So we're going to get our select tool. We're going to click on that graphic, hit delete. We're going to spin this. We're going to pull. We're going to click on that. We're going to pull from both sides. So we'll click this pull from both sides. And then we're going to pull this comb 0.2. 0.2 is going to be the thickness. Let's see what it might look like as a handle. So we'll go pull from both sides. And then we'll pull this out to 0.6. Go ahead and select to click off. Let's spin this. You know, that might not look too bad. Now we'll go ahead and let's put a full fillet on here. So we'll click till everything's selected. And let's put a decent sized fillet on there. 0.08. Okay. Let's spin that around, do the same on the back side. Click till everything is selected, 0.08 type. It's going to be a fillet for there. Now we're going to click the bottom piece. We're going to put a fillet in there. Click and drag. 0. Let's go 0.04. Okay, let's spin this. Do the same right here. Type in 0.04. Okay, let's spin. Okay, this is going to be our comb. Now we're going to go ahead and double click. Click till everything is selected on that side of the face. Now we're going to click and drag. Small fillet. 0.02. Okay, let's spin this. Do the same on the back side. Grab pull. Select everything. Now we're going to go 0.02. Oh no, 0.02. Okay, select to click off. Let's go ahead and change that to top view. Alright, this is going to be our beard comb, 6-inch beard comb. It's got plenty of teeth. It's got a little handle on it. The only thing I wanted to do, see if I could do, is pull this in a little bit. So let's spin this. Go ahead and get the pull. Let's click here. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that because I already created this. Let's undo that. Spin. See if I can pull the top here. Don't see that happening. Okay, we're good like it is. I was going to put a little hole here for a lanyard, but I think I'd actually have to make another loop right here. Okay, this is going to be okay. This is good. That's going to end today's tutorial. It's a little 6-inch beard comb. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.